Y'all see Baby Dream? Baby Dream is always going to be in the background. I got to give Baby Dream a Valentine's Day outfit. Anyway. So that's how I put that on. Now I want to come on and I want to show you this. It's been a lot of stuff going on with people talking about darker shades and Tarte Cosmetics not having our shade. And I had a lot to say about finding a company that do have your shade. So I want to show you guys NYX. It's the dropper. And I want to really try that out. And I want to show you guys how nicely it covers. So, I'm doing it like MAC does it. I ain't doing it like how I see people on YouTube. I'm doing it like how I learned it at MAC. You know what I mean? So, she used the stippling brush. Alright, so now that we have the makeup on, I want you to go ahead. I did it with the stippling brush, but then you want to go with your clean. This is as clean as it was going to come, okay? I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. That thing wouldn't come no cleaner than this, but trust me, it's clean, okay? You just want to go ahead and like pat the foundation in onto your skin. After you have stippled it on, this just going to give it a nicer, you know, smoother finish. You don't want any streaks in your makeup. You could find some streaks just using that stippling brush, so make sure you go back over it with your little sponge, okay? Okay, so now that that's done, you want to give it a quick second to let it like dry a little bit, because right now the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna use black opal, because you know it says black, not tart. It says black, you know what I'm saying? Black opal, so you know it's gonna fit my skin tone before you even open the package. That's what I'm talking about. No complaining here, buddy. I know how to go to whoever made the makeup for me. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm going to use this nice fluffy brush. My bamboo brush from Walgreens. Nothing fancy. So if you guys don't have no makeup, all the products that I'm using, you can run out and get it. Look at that. Black opal. Black. Not tart. You know, black. You know, I know they got my color. They make sure they put it on the package. I got you. So anyway, guys, you see how nicely it's just blending in with my skin tone. It's not pearl. It's not ivory. This is like a deeper, richer skin tone complexion for me. So now we have set the foundation, and again we're going for a nice natural look for people that don't like that that overly dramatic for people that don't like the overly dramatic made up look. This is what we're going for. And listen, nobody ever includes this in the video, but if you have darker eyes like such, make sure you have Vaseline always, okay? Great. So let's keep going. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with the Pro Concealer. Warm it up on the back of my hand. Just a little bit.
I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now,
I'm really loving it. And it kind of fades out when it gets to right here. That's how I really want it. I don't, you know, it's a lot heavier here and like really thin and faded out right here and here. Make sure I'm blending out the concealer, the highlighter really nicely, seamlessly. So the next thing I'm going to do to set the concealer highlighter is I'm going to go ahead with my L'Oreal Hydra Perfection powder and press it into the skin. my MAC palette here, and I'm going to use the dark color that's up here in the corner, and I'm going to use that to finish up my face. I'm going to use it here because I don't have a dark concealer to contour with. And I'm also going to go here and I'm going to put a little contouring right here to make a shadow again, to make this stand out. I'm going to go ahead and put a concealer here on the eyelid to make the eyeshadow pop. Now that I put that, I'm going to go ahead and just continue to build the color that's in my crease. I'm going to go darker. I'm going to go ahead. The next color that's a little bit darker is this color here that I'm going to use next. Even more. You see how I'm doing like the corners? I'm starting here first because this is where you want it the heaviest. You don't want it heavy here. You want it heavy here. And when you just take the brush out of the makeup, it's going to have more makeup on the brush. So you want to start at the part that you want the heaviest. The cold color here. I'm going to take a flat shadow brush.
These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look.
So now you gotta moisturize your lips. Gotta have them lips moisturized before you put your lipstick on, because if not, you're gonna see creases and lines all in your lips.
Good. Hey. Say you so good for me if they want it. I gotta dance. Say low, you can f with me if you wanted to. These
Put on my earrings. Since I'm going out early, I'm using gold instead of diamonds.
Wanna choose, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't with you. I'm a boss, you a worker. I make bloody moves. Now she say